Time indeed does fly when you're having fun. So soon, my expedition to Malta has come to an end and I'm back to old United Kingdom. I had to get a few things on my way because obviously after eating all the spaghetti bolognese and everything I could find on the island, I had to come back and cook my own traditional meals. So here I am preparing one of my favorite dishes from Ghana. It's called Waakye, which is cooked with the leaves. I'm told it's sorghum leaves. I'm not too sure about that. Don't quote me on it. But you could just watch it here. The recipe is absolutely easy for anybody to put together. I put the waakye leaves in water and cleaned them before I put in some salt and then covered it to a boil. This is me just washing some grapes because that is my favorite fruit. I just wash it, take it off the, what's it called? Is it branches? No, I don't know what it's called. And then I put it in the fridge so I can easily grab a few anytime I want to have it. Then I go back to my cooking. It is an interesting thing for me because every time I cook, it makes me feel more of a white material, you know what I'm saying? Yay! I wash the beans and then I make sure I take everything that is a stone, a leaf, a stick, all those impurities out. Then I add it to my mixture and then I allow it to boil. It takes a while to boil the beans, so some people add sodium bicarbonate and stuff like that, but I just like to cook it on its own. And this is me, yeah, clean freak. Every time I cook, I clean it like 4 or 5 times before it's done. And because it takes time, I just make sure I have something else to do, like watch a movie, something like that. I keep coming in to stir it as often as possible because the leaves give it the color and I don't want it to be saturated in one point. And when I feel like the beans has been cooked enough, when it becomes tender, I add in the rice. It shouldn't be totally cooked. It should be halfway cooked so that it can cook with the rice. Here I am turning it once again, making sure that every part of it has enough heat and it's cooked all through. I take as much of the leaves out of it as possible now. And when it is finally done, there is no waakye without a couple of eggs. Waakye should have lots of protein. So usually you have eggs, you have cow meat, you have fish, you have beans, you have salad, stuff like that. But I am in a strange land and this is what I could find.